This video, we're going to multiply whole numbers. Should be able to do this without the use of the additional whiteboard. Let's go ahead and get started. The first problem is 73 times 8. 8 times 3 is 24, so we write down the 4 and carry the 2. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus the 2 that was carried is 58. So that makes 584. For our product, we get a product when we multiply, we get a sum when we add, we get a difference when we subtract, and when we talk about division, we get a quotient when we divide. 187 times 16. So because this is 2 digits, I'm going to have to start with the 6. And then 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 4 is 52. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. I'm going to have to put a 0 in the 1 spot because I'm sliding over to the 10 spot. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. We just ignore all those carries that were from the previous number. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9, and 1 plus 1 is 2. And I get an answer of 2,992. Let's now look at 1,013 times 98. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Put a 0 in the 1 spot and slide over. We can ignore these carries now. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 is 11. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And 9 times 1 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 7 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. And then bring down the 9. So we have 99,274. Now we have 375 times 17. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 3 is 52. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 5 is 26. Let's put a 0 in the 1 spot and slide over to the 10 spot. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry that 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, and I get 6,375. Now let's look at 4,475 times 43. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Put a 0 in the 1 spot and slide over. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 9 is 12. You carry that 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9. Bring down the 1. So we have 192,425. All right. And then we'll wrap up with 299 times 25. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 4 is 49. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Put a 0 in the 1 spot. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 9 is 14. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 5 is 7. So I have 7,475. If your teacher tells you that it's okay to use a calculator to perform this arithmetic, that's great. Go ahead and do that. I just wanted to remind you all how to do it by hand in case you don't have a calculator with you. So usually you're going to have a calculator with you, even if it's just a pocket calculator that can do simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Get used to using the calculator that you're going to carry around with you to make sure that you know how to perform those operations, as sometimes calculators will be a little bit different on how you should enter the operations to get the right answer. So go ahead and practice with these problems so you know what the correct answer is, since we did it by hand, and see if you can get the same answer from your calculator. All right, we'll come back next time and we will solve some application problems that are related to multiplication of whole numbers. So see you for the next video.